South Africa's roads are dangerous enough, but what happens when the real threat wears a badge? In a jaw-dropping twist, the legendary no-jack sniper takes aim, not at carjackers, but at a crooked cop. And this time, justice hits back.
Morning! Find thanks in yourself. Alright, I'm going to tell you why we're stopping you. We are from the anti-hijacking unit. This vehicle is circulated as a wanted vehicle involved in murder and robbery. Yes, sir. Wait. I'm telling you, this is why we're stopping you. We're going to show you everything. Alright. So, are you armed in any way?
I am not armed.
Alright. I'm going to put my gun away so that we can talk to each other. Alright. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good in you, thank you.
I'm doing well.
Alright, I'm going to... Okay, I want you to step out of the vehicle for me as well, please.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm going to show you. Guys, Fred, just bring us this stuff quickly. Yeah, this vehicle is circulated. That's fine. Just there.
Did you guys check the number plate?
Yes,
JK
absolutely. 100%. 100%. This vehicle was involved in a robbery and a murder in Nelspruit.
A robbery?
Yes. Can I come here for me quickly? I just want to search you. No, there. Just stand by the vehicle for me, please. Just get a hold of... Okay, do you guys carry any weapons or anything in your vehicles?
No.
Nothing.
I have a gas gun protection by
Okay.
right now.
That's it. Okay.
It's a gas gun.
That's fine. Alright. Just stand here for me. Whatever we do is being recorded from that side, from this side, everything. Alright. Just so that you guys know, we're going to show you what's happening now. We're just making sure on the vehicle itself that we have the exact right vehicle. But this number plate, 100%, the car like this one exactly. Unless they've cloned your number plate. Is it the wanted one? 100%. Alright. Yes. Alright, what I need you to do for me here is come and sit down for me here, please. Alright, you might be arrested.
I might be arrested.
You might be arrested, absolutely. Have a
Can I
seat
call
for
the company, please? Of the car?
Where are the company?
The company car.
Where
The
are they?
company car.
Where's the company?
I'm going to call the owner of the company.
Okay, give me 1 second. Listen to me. Listen.
Later for you.
Alright.
I've been listening to you
Alright.
since you guys
Okay, if
watched
you're
it.
going to give me a hard time, I'm going to cuff you. And I'm going to not be nice with you. Alright, so please do not give me a hard time. Please don't give me a hard
What time
time.
am I giving you if I follow all your
Alright,
instructions?
okay.
And I'm asking you to do one thing.
You can
I'm
do
asking
that.
to make a call.
You can-
You say I'm being hard.
Verstaan jy Afrikaans?
Ek verstaan Afrikaans.
Alright, kom ons gesels die taal wat ek en jy altyd mooi verstaan. Moenie vir my 'n harde tyd gee nie.
Ek gee jou nie hard.
Okay, nou my vriend, jy gee my bietjie attitude nou. Ek verstaan, hou vas, ek verstaan. Hierdie is 'n moeilike situasie. Okay. Ek is nie hier om jou lewe moeilik te maak nie. Ek is hier om vir jou te help. Glo vir my. Jy's nie die eerste, die tweede, die derde of die 100ste persoon wat ek dit doen nie. Ek doen dit vir 34 jaar. So ek is nie hier om vir jou dinge moeilik te maak nie, asseblief. Okay, ek wil met jou nice wees. Want ek vermoed daar's iets meer rondom dit alles. So maar as jy wil, kan ek dit doen. Dan sit ek vir jou boeie aan, ek laat jou lê hierso. Wil jy ek moet dit doen? Ja of nee? Ek het nie nodig dat jy enigiemand bel nie. Jy's 'n verdagte wat in 'n bylaag 1 misdaad in 'n motor gevind is. Ek verstaan, hierdie is nie lekker nie.
Dit is nie lekker nie.
Nee, maar ek kan heerlik wees. Ek kan jou net vanaf vang en jou op die vloer sit, maar ek het dit nie
kan
gedoen nie.
doen. Ek het nie 'n probleem. Jy sal op mense bel. Ek sal op myself
En dit is fine. Dan doen jy dit.
recording.
Yes.
Recording.
That's good. As long as it's... No, you're welcome to record. And you have access to everything we're doing. Alright, jy kan dit nou doen.
Lisa.
Are they on their way? Ja. Okay, ek wil hê jy moet... My vriend, wat is jou naam?
My naam is Kananelo Colvin Malo.
Nee, Malu.
Kananelo Colvin Malo.
Okay, sit vir my plat hier so asseblief.
Ja. Daar kan jy go get it.
Huh?
Speak your something. Hy moet werk toe gaan. Hy kom nie werk.
Okay, julle is albei in die kar. Sorry my vriend.
Oh.
Albei van julle, sit vir my plat hier so asseblief. Sit vir my plat. Ek wil nie 'n hond stuur om iemand te hardloop. Ek onthou ek ken julle nie. So sit flat vir my vriend. I'm sorry my buddy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
or something in the car, but check the car, guys. The car is open.
No, we can't. We're not going to take anything now. Alright, sit down. Yes.
white pants. You got a jacket in the car?
No, just wait. Hallo. Goed en jy, dankie. Yes. Ons het hom gehak. Ons staan nie by hom. Yes, ons het hom. Alright, dankie my seun. Sê dankie baie. That's right.
Robbery and murder.
Ah,
So now
kijk
you
dan.
understand.
Alright.
Let me check the number plate.
Ons vriend, ons is nie om jou lewe vir jou moeilik te
I
maak nie.
understand what you're saying.
Alright.
I understand what you're saying.
Let's number JK12CZ GP engine number that the number that type. That's
And there's the
Mercedes
car.
grey and there's your vehicle.
Alright, you understand what we're saying?
The spoiler off of that vehicle.
Yeah, spoilers off. I can show you here. What's this? My car's got it.
No, my friend. We're not here to make things difficult. We're doing our job. That's all.
Priority 1. Reason, using armed robbery, murder. Yeah? There's your spoiler that is off.
Okay, who was murdered?
No, we don't know. We're just the ones. We're just it says anti-hijacking unit. We're not the investigators.
Oh.
We're the people who catch you. Jackalas, môre goed en jy, dankie. Die man is al sedert 2019 in besit van die motor, nê? Ja.
19 September.
Alright, wat hy die voertuig het. So dit is 'n 2021 saak. En ons het niks van cloning of niks gekry of enigiets nie, so ons het vir hulle mooi vertel. Ek het hom gesê ons is nice met hulle, al die pad so ver.
Ja.
Ons het hulle nog nie geboei nie. So
You know why you car
jy kan Afrikaans praat, hy verstaan mooi.
Weet jy hoekom?
Het ons nie vir jou gesê nie.
Moord, ja, moord. Ek het 24 denk.
My vriend,
My friend is
12-jarige kinders. Het jy al gesien 12-jarige kinders in die skool steek mekaar met messe?
Ek is 24. Ek maak me dit uit.
Ja.
Nou, wat moet ek
Ons ken jou mos nie, ons weet nie.
Miskien is dit iemand wat jouself verstil sê. Miskien is jy
Ja, jy weet ons weet nie, ons ken jou nie.
Wat is naam? Weet nie.
So what do we do from here?
Okay, now we're going to the police station. Okay? At the police station, I'm going to phone the detective of Nelspruit. At the police station, I'm going to find out what's going on with the car, what is the situation of the car. If I have all the information, either what the detective tells me, I'm either going to arrest you or not arrest you. So it depends. Alright.
Hou vas, ek gaan net gou kyk hierso. Frik, 'n masker. Just give him a masker. He's going to give you a mask there. Have you got one in your car? Okay. Okay. A mask for him.
Oh yeah, they said my lawyers, they want to send me a lawyer, okay? Because you're not arrested on the
Yeah, remember you're not, jy's nog nie gearresteer. You want to go, little daar, open there by you. Oh, he can call them there.
I'll take car with me.
Sarah?
Don't want to wait.
Ja. Kara hier! Yep. Hier Kara, Kara hier.
Just taking a
Kom,
perimeter post.
kom.
You got me.
Kijk,
Take a
yep.
perimeter.
Yep, jy. Susu, yep.
Yep, yes.
Right.
Just take a perimeter. This gentleman, a case was open. This was a case that was open.
In Nelspruit.
In Nelspruit. Nah, due to a robbery and murder.
His vehicle.
That is what he said. Due to a robbery and murder. Robbery and murder. But now the thing is, nah, he says he knows this thing what happened. He was in an accident with a drunk policeman. And then him and the policeman had an agreement that the policeman is going to fix his car and pay for the money for the car. So the policeman did withdraw money and give him, but not the full amount that was agreed upon. So then he didn't bother further to
communicate with the
communicate with the policeman. He said he was in Nelspruit. He doesn't deny
It was at a club.
anything. But now this policeman, after he paid him the money, he went and opened this case against him. Now the car is positive. The
He
car is
said,
circulated.
he also said to the policeman to protect myself, I'm going to take a video
He's got
of the
video.
conversation between us. So he's got it on his phone. So he's got that video, but none of us knew about anything, so we apprehended the crime. So, but he said he's got the video. So now we understand what happened. So the cops thought, yeah, let me go and open the case.
I've got the video here, I can play it for you guys. And you guys will listen to the thing.
This policeman is your friend or?
He's not my friend. When I came out of the club, he had bounced my car. So he came and said, from my mistake, just put it close to you.
Are you the same company with those guys, No Check?
I'm the boss of No Check.
Oh, doing a great job. I'm watching your video.
Oh, thank you.
Doing a great job.
But they taught me, yeah, in this building I was taught. You see, yeah. I went to the college in 1986. Yes, I was until 1997. Then I left nie gisteraand nie, maar dan was hy gedetaind.
Ja.
Ons is bly, weet jy, ons het jou amper ons het gewag vir jou gisteraand. Nou as jy ons
So, meneer.
if we found you last night, you would have been detained. So if you're a believer and you pray, you say, Lord, thank you so much that they only found me this morning. Kom ons jou van die begin af gesê, ons is hier om jou te help.
Ja.
Jy kan bly as jy die in jouself vir my sit vir my jou selfoonnommer in daar asseblief. Dankie. OK. Luister gou-gou. Gaan jy omgee as ons hierdie video gebruik? Kan ons dit doen? Ons maak mooi video's van mense om te wys hoe ons dit doen. Is jy happy daarmee? Daar's dit. Dankie.
This is November Juliet 1, standing down from the Merc from Benoni Police Station. Feedback on this is this gentleman was in Nelspruit. At the time, video of the whole incident is on his telephone. It was a police officer that was under the influence that damaged his vehicle. And then,
For those who don't know, the No Check Sniper is a modern-day vigilante, a digital soldier, a civilian protector who's made headlines for tracking hijackers, scam syndicates, and now corrupt officials. If the government won't act, the people will. Salute to No Check and every South African who refuses to be silent. What are your thoughts on this takedown? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, because the truth needs a voice. My name is Jay, and this is Moment in Future, pulling you into the truth.